Friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make prawn chili fry. It's simple yet and it is very delicious, goes very well with white rice, curry, either dal, and I'm going to show it in a very easy and simple way. So let's get started with this. What I need is I've taken prawns, which are green shrimps. I've cleaned and kept, and I also have applied salt to this. At least 20 minutes prior you need to apply salt and keep before you make this, you start with this dish. So next is I've taken onion, which is two medium sized onion, sliced and kept. I've taken tomato, two medium. I've removed the seed, deseeded it, and also uh, cut in quarters and then slice it. And tomato, green chili, I have taken one, which I have slit and kept, and cilantro, which is fresh coriander leaves, few sprigs chopped and kept, and also garlic, which is 6 to 8 clove of garlic chopped and kept. So let's start with this cooking process now. So my pan is already hot. I will add oil to this in order to saute prawns first. Now once you add oil, you need a very high flame. Oil should be very hot. What happens is, if the oil is cold and when you add prawns, or the prawns starts to leave water and it becomes like boil. So that is the reason we have to do it on a very high flame. Just saute this lightly. You just have to saute this for 2 minutes and remove it. Now I'll keep it in a separate bowl. This I will remove it in a separate bowl. In the same pan, add garlic, add little bit more of oil, once garlic is sauté, add onions, now the onion you don't have to saute it till it becomes brown, just wet the onion. Now onion is ready, you need to add green chili and tomato. Let it saute for a while. Guys, as you have seen, prawns I've already sauteed and kept. Now for onion and tomato, we need to add little bit of salt. For prawns we have already added salt and kept and sauteed. Now for this I've added little bit. Don't add too much because the prawns already have salt. Now I will add prawns which we had sauteed and kept. Now this you don't need a very high flame. This you have to cook it on a low or a medium flame. So friends, as you have noticed, I've added tomato which is too medium. That gives you tangy flavor to this. I will add coriander, fresh cilantro. Mix it well and this is ready to be served now. This looks very delicious and yet yummy. I've tasted it. It's the perfect taste. As I mentioned, goes very well with rice. Now I'm going to switch off the flame. Goes very well with rice or on the side curry or dal. It's your choice and it's a very good accompaniment. Check this out. This is the final outcome. Look how delicious it is. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Pinto Vinay Cuisine and hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to get the recipe. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Stay safe, stay healthy.